Good morning, everyone. It's Donna, and I am going to digitize the little Christmas gift embroidery design that I did in Hatch. I'm actually going to uh, do it in Embird as well. I have my hoop selected as a 5x7 and it is turned horizontal. So let's import the image, and I am going over to my clip art. It was a daily art hub, and it was Artsy Christmas. And here it is. So we will bring this in. If you can get a membership for Daily Art Hub. It's worth it to get cute little graphics that you can do. Anyway, so let's get started. We are going to digitize the box first. Oops. And we'll just go around here, finish the object, generate the stitches. Okay, and we will change the color from a catalog. Get my marathon. We're going to go with the color meadow. I think that's what I used in the last one. So, okay, we have this right here now. We are going to start working on these circles. And we're going to import a shape from the library. And I'm actually going to be getting rid of the outer ring. And this I will size down. And I'll generate my stitches here. I will take this, I will copy it, I will paste it, bring it up here, and get the size a little bit smaller. Generate the stitches. I'll copy that and paste it and bring it down here. Make it just a tad bigger. Generate the stitches, and then I will take that and copy and paste it, move it up here, and try to get this one done. Okay, we'll go with that. We will take these. We will change the color. We'll make this very red. Next, I will take this first one here, and I am just going to go ahead and change the color to Cloud Dancer. I'm going to move it over here and resize it down. Generate the stitches. I'm going to copy and paste, and I do that with the Control C, Control V. Generate the stitches. I Control V again. That's about right. I'm going to Control C and Control V there because it's just closer to the size. And I'll Control C and Control V again and bring that over here because this does look to be the same size. So we will generate all of these stitches. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch the holes in this the background here. So I use this little tool here, and I just will go around. Whoops, sorry about that. We have to select the green and then do the punch the tool or punch the hole. And you just kind of make it, remember you need a little bit of overlap there. And that hole is punched. If I hide this one, oh, wrong one. If I hide this one here, you should see now that the hole is actually punched in there, so we will unhide all. Okay, and I will just continue on and do the holes for all of these circles. It's a little more detailed in Embird than it is in Willcome Hatch. But most things you can do. And it's pretty quick to do these. You just go around. For the circles, I just, basically put 4 points and then round it out. I mean, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle because, there is that overlap. So I could do a triangle if I wanted to. But as you can see, this one's not that round. Drag it out, drag it out. There's only a couple left to do. Okay, so we're going to actually hide all of these right now for just a second. And we have our design. And as you can see, there's the funky little lines in here from when you cut it out. So let's go in here and play with the parameters a little bit. We're going to change maybe the stitch angle some. Looks a little better. Let's use a different fill in here. That's a little bit. I'm not necessarily really liking it too much though. Let's do a 7-degree angle. About 5 degree. Okay, we're going to leave it at that right now, so we can unhide all of these. Show all. Now let's come back over here and work on the bow on top. So we're just going to go in and do this fairly quickly. Change my underlay. I'm afraid I'm going to start doing some right clicks in here like I did with Wilcon, but let's see, it don't do anything other than bring up that to allow you to finish your object. So I'm going to put my end point for this one right here. So I'll put the end point, come over, gonna make it a little straight. Run from there to here. Then we will do this one fairly quick. I'm going to make this one the end point right here. And we're just going to come back around really quick. And then we're going to put in a little circle. Again, we're going to get rid of the outer ring. And we will size this down. A little bit larger. And on this one, I think I am going to make the color shimmering gold. It's a pretty color, actually. So you can look at it now and see right here we're going to, on this particular one, we're going to change some stitch angles a little bit. And this one, we will change some stitch angles. This one. And this one. And there you have it. There is the little Christmas present digitized in Embird. It isn't quite as good as the one that I produced in Hatch because they just don't have enough of the good fills in here um, for Embird. But and you there's only so much that you can do with playing with your stitch angles as well. So anyway, that is how we digitize this little Christmas present in Embird. Check out Daily Art Hub. I am not affiliated with them, but I have had a subscription there, and there are some cute clip arts. Talk to you later. Bye.